Amparado!
11 point. Josh Benapel sending for number 88. Itong batang Lawrence Paotro sending for AJQ Arvin Jairos Quintano. Pero piga kung piga sa bola at lahat handang makipag-agaw. Last 55 seconds. Number 12, Kopolopig, a jumper, 2-pointer.
Sinapal free throw by
Lawrence Paotro. Amor, number 7, sending for number 12, yung batang Renz Abando. Good for 2 points by Luxin. 3-10. Isang palakol at 7 point na nga po yung Abante. AJQ! Good for 2 points by AJ. Stolen. Number 13. Isusubo na lang. Good for 2 points. With 107 seconds. Ikutan ng bola. Canas. Herdy go. Good for 2 points by Canas. Ikutan ng bola. Number 13. Kopolopig. Perimeter jumper. Masyadong malakas. But get the lucky bounce. Pero hindi bumasket para sa grupo ng Hope. Agawan ng buko. Kuha nitong batang rin sa bando. Axel Locsin. Good for 2 points by Axel. Libre yung number 13 from the 3-point lane. Not good. A pump by number 12. Katawan sa katawan. A jumper. Good. 7 minutes and 15 seconds sa layup. Put back. Number 23. Nino Amparado. Stolen by number 12. Axel Locsin sending for Lawrence Paotro. Good. 5 minutes and 40. Number 7. Outside jumper. 3-pointer. Doesn't work. Nice save. Number 12. Up and under. Good for 2 points. Para kay Aban, para sa grupo ng team ng Hope. 27-33. Big Florida doesn't work from the 3-point territory. Battle for rebound. At sinisid itong batang Nino Amparado with 2 minutes and 13. Pass break for Team of Hope. Number 18. Good for 2 points. And good for 2 points. Laging pamatay. Sending for number 12. Huli ka boy! Pero nandoon yung AJQ. Bang! Now, Nino Amparado. Good pull again. AJQ. Passing your seatbelt. Lilipad. Pinauna pa yung depensa nitong bat. 5 seconds on the shot clock. AJQ. Bang! Good for 2 points by kahit walang tugtugan. Number 9, AJQ Arvin Jairos Quintano. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. And
Amparado!
pero yung batang Axel Locsin, yung